Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if you can invest in cryptocurrency without the hassle of setting up a digital wallet or dealing with complex trading platforms? Well, today, we're diving into that very question. Can you do crypto on Wealthsimple? Hook. Imagine a platform that offers the simplicity of traditional investing, but with the potential for high returns of cryptocurrency. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's find out. Building context. Before we jump into Wealthsimple, let's quickly recap what cryptocurrency is. In essence, cryptocurrencies are digital assets that use cryptography to secure their transactions and control the creation of new units. They've gained immense popularity due to their decentralized nature and potential for significant growth. Wealthsimple, a brief overview. Now, let's talk about Wealthsimple. It's a Canadian financial technology company that offers a range of investment services, including robo-advisors, ETFs, and cryptocurrency trading. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making investing accessible to people of all backgrounds. Can you do crypto on Wealthsimple? The short answer is yes, you can. Wealthsimple offers a cryptocurrency trading platform that allows you to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Key features of Wealthsimple's crypto platform. User-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for beginners to navigate. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. You can choose from a variety of popular cryptocurrencies to invest in. Dollar cost averaging. This strategy allows you to invest a fixed amount of money regularly, reducing the impact of market volatility. Fractional shares. You can buy fractions of a cryptocurrency, making it more accessible for smaller investors. Secure storage. Wealthsimple uses industry-standard security measures to protect your crypto assets. Benefits of using Wealthsimple for crypto. Simplicity. Wealthsimple's platform is designed to be easy to use, even for those who are new to investing. Security. Your crypto assets are stored securely on Wealthsimple's platform. Accessibility. You can invest in cryptocurrency from your smartphone or computer. Diversification. Investing in cryptocurrency can help diversify your investment portfolio. Potential drawbacks. While Wealthsimple offers a convenient way to invest in cryptocurrency, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. Fees. Wealthsimple charges fees for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Limited selection. Compared to some other cryptocurrency exchanges, Wealthsimple offers a more limited selection of cryptocurrencies. Lack of advanced features. If you're looking for advanced trading features, such as margin trading or leverage, you may need to look elsewhere. Is Wealthsimple right for you? Whether or not Wealthsimple is the right platform for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple and secure way to invest in cryptocurrency, Wealthsimple may be a good option. However, if you're a more experienced trader who requires advanced features, you may want to consider other platforms. Conclusion. So, can you do crypto on Wealthsimple? Absolutely. The platform offers a user-friendly way to invest in cryptocurrency with a variety of benefits and a few potential drawbacks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, Wealthsimple may be worth considering if you're interested in adding cryptocurrency to your portfolio. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.